Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and set up this brand new Samsung 55-inch mini LED 4K Vision AI smart TV from the 2026 lineup. This is Samsung's new mini LED television, and in this video we'll take a detailed look at everything from the unboxing to the initial setup. I'll also show you how we install the TV on an adjustable wall mount bracket, which allows us to change the viewing angle and position of the TV. After installation, we'll complete the initial setup and then explore the picture quality, sound, smart features, and some of the important AI features available on this TV. So, let's get started. Let's first have a look at the packaging. Since this is a 55-inch television, the box is quite large. The model and some of the major specifications are mentioned on the packaging. Now let's carefully open the box. When handling a television of this size, I would strongly recommend having at least 2 people, especially while taking the TV out of the box and mounting it. Let's check everything we get inside the package. Here we have the television itself. The TV comes with 3 HDMI ports, including one HDMI eARC port for connecting a compatible soundbar or home theater. It also has one USB port for connecting USB devices and one LAN port for a stable wired internet connection. We also get the Samsung remote control, power cable, documentation, and the other accessories required for the TV. Now let us fix the wall mount. Once the position is finalized, we'll mark the mounting points. It's very important to make sure that the bracket is perfectly level before drilling. Now, the holes can be drilled at the marked locations. After that, we'll install the appropriate wall anchors and bolts and securely fix the main mounting bracket to the wall. For this installation, instead of using a regular fixed TV wall mount, I'm using an adjustable TV wall mount bracket. The advantage of this type of mount bed is that the television doesn't have to remain permanently flat against the wall. We can pull the TV slightly forward and adjust its viewing position. It also makes accessing the ports behind the television much easier. And here is our new Samsung 55-inch mini LED TV. The first thing you'll notice is how slim and minimal the design looks. The bezels around the display are also very thin, giving the TV a clean and modern appearance. Carefully remove the protective plastic film from the TV screen and frame. Peel it off slowly without applying pressure to the display. And here we have the Samsung startup screen. Since this is the first time we are switching on the television, we need to complete the initial configuration. First, select the required language and region. The TV will now guide us through the setup process. Let's also have a closer look at the Samsung remote. The design is very minimal compared with traditional television remotes. Instead of having a huge number of buttons, Samsung provides the essential controls along with shortcuts for smart TV functions. After using it for a while, navigating through the interface becomes quite easy. The TV comes with a remote control and two AAA batteries. To install them, slide open the battery cover on the back of the remote. And now we've reached the main home screen. Samsung uses its Tizen-based smart TV platform, and the interface gives us quick access to installed applications, connected devices, settings and recommendations. Samsung's 2026 TV also use the One UI Tizen interface. Navigation is quite straightforward using the Samsung remote. Popular streaming applications can be accessed directly from here, and additional supported apps can be installed through the app section. Now let's talk about one of the biggest highlights of this television, Mini LED technology. Instead of conventional larger LEDs used for backlighting, Mini LED technology uses much smaller LEDs. This allows the television to achieve more precise control over the backlight. The result should be better contrast, brighter highlights and improved detail, especially when you're watching high-quality HDR content. Samsung also uses pure spectrum color technology in its 2026 Mini LED range. It is designed to produce a wider range of colors while maintaining natural-looking color reproduction. When watching good quality 4K content, you can really appreciate the colors, contrast, and fine details produced by the Mini LED panel. Let's quickly look at the picture settings. Here we can adjust options such as brightness, contrast, color, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other picture parameters. There are also different picture modes depending on the type of content you're watching. For normal viewing, you can choose the mode that looks most natural to you. Personally, I recommend spending some time with the television before making major changes to the advanced picture settings. Another major focus of Samsung's 2026 television lineup is AI-based picture processing. The television can analyze the content being displayed and optimize various aspects of the image. AI upscaling is particularly useful when watching content that isn't originally available in 4K. The processor analyzes the image and enhances the content to make better use of the 4K display. Of course, it cannot magically turn poor quality content into native 4K, but it can improve the overall viewing experience. Samsung Vision AI brings intelligent features to the TV, helping optimize your viewing experience and providing personalized features and recommendations based on the content you watch.
Want to start the day at a leisurely pace? It is fascinating to learn that pollen grains act as much more than just seasonal allergens, as they actually play a subtle but
That's all for this unboxing, installation, initial setup and features video of the Samsung 55-inch mini LED 4K Vision AI Smart TV. I hope this video helped you understand the complete installation and setup process, as well as some of the important features of this television. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more unboxing, review, and technology videos. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.